Thinking of vacationing in Ocean City, Maryland? Well, congratulations on clicking into the #1 video that will show you how you can instantly save real money on your next beach vacation in Ocean City. No coupon clipping, no gimmicks, no song and dance. Welcome to How to Vacation in Ocean City with Central Reservations. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to our channel so you can get the inside secrets for your next beach vacation. Well, let's go ahead and jump right in. We've all been there. It's time to book your next OC getaway. So you hop online to find the perfect place to stay. With the abundance of resources available online and amazing property photography, it's easier than ever to review properties, learn about them, compare rates, and make a decision. You search, you research, and you narrow it down. And then you found it, the perfect spot for your next vacation. Hurry, click that button, right? Well, we're here to tell you that the answer to that is what can instantly save you money. And we're not talking a few dollars or tens of dollars. We're talking potentially hundreds, possibly thousands of dollars. We're also telling you that everything remains exactly the same about your trip. The same property, the same dates, and the same rates. But where you book the reservation could potentially save you a whole lot of money. Here's our knowledge drop, and now you're gonna wanna pay attention. When you book through an online booking engine like HomeAway, VRBO, or any of the others, you're actually paying a higher rate. How? The answer's simple. When you book through these third-party booking engines, they're charging you high percentage booking fees, sometimes 10% or more just to click the Book Now button. And that money goes straight into their pockets. Now, when you book your next vacation rental directly with the local rental company that manages that rental, you save that money instantly. Let's put it into a real-world scenario. You're ready to make a reservation for a week in Ocean City this summer. It's $4,000 for that property. But by booking that property directly, instead of through the other booking engines, you could save up to $400. Now that's a lot of Thrasher's French fries. Now we say, save that money and spend it on yourselves. Take the family out to dinner or enjoy an extra trip to the boardwalk. And while we're on the subject of saving money, here's another pretty amazing did you know. Did you know that Central Reservations provides you with vacation rewards and special discounts at local businesses and restaurants? Discount tickets to Jolly Rogers, special coupons to the best local restaurants, and extra saltwater taffy here in Ocean City. Do you want more information? Well, just ask anyone on our team about our vacation rewards. Our team wants to enhance your vacation experience in Ocean City in the most affordable way possible. But disclaimer alert, VRBO is a well-respected booking platform that serves a great purpose. A lot of our business comes from these booking engines, and it will continue to in the future. But making sure our guests know the secret to booking directly with Central Reservations is a service we felt obligated to share. So book your next stay in Ocean City, Maryland with us today. And if you haven't already done so, click that subscribe button to stay up to date on all of the best tips and tricks to booking your next Ocean City vacations. Running backwards. I'm off my game. Where is it? Am I still in focus? I'm gonna do it real quick. Is that blurry?